Hi, my name is Ernie Ria and I'm the owner of Vantage Windows and Doors. We're an approved VEKA window installer. VEKA are the largest profile manufacturer for windows doors in the world, and pretty much everyone knows VEKA's the best. In the UK, VEKA have, I think, about 220 approved installers. There's only 10 of them in Scotland and we're one of those 10. One of the benefits to our customers is VEKA will give them what's called an insurance-backed guarantee. So if anything ever did happen to us, our customers will always have a guarantee for their windows. VEKA will step in and take care of that for them. So not that they'll need it, but it's nice to have. But before VEKA will give them that, they contact every single customer on completion of the installation and they ask for feedback on how we've performed. It's basically a customer satisfaction report. And at the end of every year, the company with the best customer satisfaction scores is given the national award. And I'm very happy to say that for the last 2 years in a row now that we've won it both times, and hopefully we'll win it again this year.
So we found Vantage Windows on internet search. We'd had quite a few people quote us for the work. What I liked about Vantage is that they were sort of very approachable, and Ernie was very easy to talk with from the start. They were a Which trusted installer as well, and that gave us, you know, as laymen, really a lot more confidence in the company and the whole process. The installation team as well were absolutely fantastic. They took the time with us to explain what they were doing, how they were fixing the windows in, where the insulation was going, where the strong fixing bolts were in, and just showed us as well, you know, the whole dissection of the window, if you like. Again, if you don't know the game yourself, it's good to have that and see how the whole thing goes in. They asked us questions about different options, you know, as they were going through specific little bits of where to put the fillers and bits, and that was all just fantastic. Couldn't be happier. Really good installation. It looks quality all the way through, and like I say, it's a big old house with quite individual, tailor-made construction all the way through. So yeah, the guys just couldn't have been any better, really. Delighted with the whole job from start to finish, and highly recommend Vantage Windows, sincerely.